Is your Ford F-250's alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, usually linked to the door ajar sensor, hood latch, or key fob battery. Start by checking each door to ensure it's fully closed. The door ajar sensors located in the door jambs can corrode or misalign. Clean the contacts and ensure proper alignment. Next, inspect the hood latch. A misaligned or worn latch can trigger the alarm. Adjust or replace it if necessary. Finally, a weak key fob battery can cause intermittent signals. Replace the CR2032 battery. Addressing these three areas resolves most false alarm issues. If the basic checks don't solve the problem, consider these advanced steps. First, software glitches in the body control module can misinterpret sensor signals. Ford issued TSB 240001 for 2020-2024 models addressing this. A dealership can update the BCM firmware. Secondly, use an OBD2 tool like ForeScan to recalibrate sensors. Finally, remember that aftermarket modifications can also cause issues. If problems persist, it may indicate deeper BCM or wiring problems requiring professional intervention. A systematic approach will help you pinpoint the cause and restore your F-250's security system.